So I got in my car and I'm heading down out of my property, and I just happen to look down, and on my leg is a huge spider. Look at him. He's like making a web up to my phone now. And all this crap. These spiders are harmless. But look at that. Freaking web all over me. I just didn't notice. Don't bite me, buddy. Why are you laying your fangs on me like that? That doesn't make me very comfortable. So yeah, you gotta... Yeah, there was literally no sensation. I had put some things over behind my barn and apparently walked through his web, and look at it all over me. All this crap. Yeah, this is about to be over too because the weather's getting cold now. But these guys were very successful this season.